introduction. Who are you?
Desi.
Desi who?
Desi do all the chores.
What are we going to do with your hair today?
You're going to cut it.
Why am I going to cut it?
Because it's been over a year and 3 months since the last time I got my hair cut.
You're 3 months, 42 hours, 61 minutes, and 49 seconds, mark 5.
Sure.
Something like that. How come you waited so long to get it cut?
Because the person that I used to have cut my hair has been booked up, and so I just kind of let it grow out until I could find somebody else to cut it.
Okay. Can you rotate yourself a little bit so I can see the back of your ponytail there? Oh. So how much of that ponytail are we cutting off?
About 6 inches.
Ooh, all right. Do you want layers or anything?
Sure.
Okay. Lean.
Okay.
Get your cape on. Is that too tight? Is that okay?
Yep, yep.
Yay. And we're cutting 6 inches of this off?
Yep.
Okay.
I figured that's a pretty good starting point.
Okay.